So what's up guys and welcome back to a brand new vlog. आज Ellie भी है हम लोग के साथ में. Today Ellie is also in the vlog with us. Ellie, say hi. Ellie, yeah baby. Okay. Yeah mama. Okay. So this is Ellie. She is my 7-month-old female Labrador. Okay. And she is very naughty. You're a very naughty girl, no? So anyways guys, let's get into the vlog. I'm sorry for not posting videos in a very long time because I was having a little problem in my editing. Let me tell you something. I've been editing all these videos recently that I have made from my phone. Okay, now the problem that's happening is in the phone there are a lot of features for editing that are not really open, or rather I say you cannot do it on the phone. So what I had to do was I had to order a brand new laptop. Okay, so in this vlog I will be unboxing this laptop that I have bought, and I'll be telling you why I bought this specific laptop and what are the specifications in this laptop, why even you can buy this laptop if you want to start your editing journey on a laptop as well. So Ellie, let's get into the vlog. Okay, let's get into the vlog guys. So guys, this is the laptop that I have ordered for my editing based work. Okay, and I'm gonna tell you why I bought this laptop and what are the specs in this laptop as well. So this is the Infinix Inbook X1 Pro. This is how the box looks from outside, and now we are going to open this. Okay, so after we open the box, we get to see something like this. I have already checked everything inside. All the products are there. Okay, so this is what we get inside the box. This is the laptop, this is the charger, and this is the type C to type C charging cable. Okay, yes, it is different now. थोड़ा अलग से दिख रहा है. वो USB वाला charging cable अभी चला गया ज़माना से. तो this is the new type C to type C cable. So let's keep this over here. This is the new charging brick for the laptop. Please bear with me because एक हाथ से हम कैमरा पकड़ रहे हैं और एक हाथ से हम सब कुछ कर रहे हैं, तो please bear with me. तो इसको भी अंदर रखते हैं. So this is the charging block, और ये अच्छे से लैपटॉप को चार्ज करते हैं. Charges the laptop pretty fast. 1 घंटा में हमको फुल चार्ज मिल गया ऑलरेडी लैपटॉप में. और इस लैपटॉप का जो बैटरी बैकअप है वो भी ठीक ठाक ही है. 9-10 घंटा तो आराम से चलता है. इफ़ यू कंटिन्यूसली यूज़ इट 9-10 घंटा तो आराम से चलता है. ठीक है, तो इसको भी साइड में रख देता है. और ये है लैपटॉप. देखिए पूरा अच्छे से पैकिंग किया हुआ है. तो इसको भी थोड़ा 1 मिनट के लिए साइड में रखते हैं और देखते हैं व्हाट एल्स यू गेट इन द बॉक्स. ठीक है, सो दिस इज़ अ वारंटी कार्ड that you get for the laptop, and manuals and everything as normal that you get in a laptop. Anything else? No. और कुछ तो है नहीं इसमें, तो इसको हम लोग साइड कर लेते हैं. इसको सभी साइड कर लेते हैं. And finally let's bring the laptop. And the first reason why I bought this laptop is because of its color and the body of the laptop. Okay, see how slim it is. It is very slim. And about the body, let me tell you, whatever laptops that I was seeing, जो भी हम लैपटॉप देख रहे थे मार्केट में, वो सब वो जो नॉर्मल प्लास्टिक वाला बॉडी जो आता है, इट वाज ऑल शोइंग दैट. ठीक है, बट दिस इज मेटल, फुल मेटल बॉडी विथ ओनली 1400 grams का weight. That is 1 kg 400 grams का weight, which is pretty good guys. Okay, and जिसका जो metal finish है ना, वो premium feeling देता है लैपटॉप में. This is one reason why I wanted to buy this laptop. And if we open up the laptop now, एक ही हाथ से लैपटॉप खुल जाता है. ठीक है, तो इसको हम रिमूव कर लेते हैं. And this is a Intel i7 core processor with Windows 10 operating system. The other specifications why I bought this laptop is because it has a 16 GB RAM. Yes guys, this laptop has a 16 GB RAM and it has 512 GB ka SSD. Now why I say SSD, it's because I have spoken to a lot of people who use computers and laptops in this modern generation and वो लोग भी बोला है कि हार्ड डिस्क से अच्छा SSD है. SSD takes a little less time to boot up, फास्टर बूटअप टाइम है, फास्टर सब हो जाता है लैपटॉप में. हार्ड डिस्क में थोड़ा टाइम लेता है. बोथ आर इन देयर प्रेफरेंसेस, इट्स अप टू यू व्हाट यू वांट टू चूज, बट आई चोज SSD because it's a little faster and it's a little modern in this time. Okay, so let's boot up this laptop and show you how long it takes to reach its boot up screen. So one click tap and see how fast this laptop takes to boot up guys. It's already started. यही फंडा है SSD का. See, it was that fast. So let me just put in my credentials and we'll come to the normal screen of the laptop and then we'll talk a little more about this laptop. Okay guys? So as you can see now guys, laptop on हो चुका है and my video is playing over there from YouTube. So let me just talk a little bit more about this laptop. This laptop has a very premium finish. It has a backlight on the keyboard. अभी तो रोशनी है तो you can't see it that well. But night का जो time आता है ना, this whole thing lights up. Backlight है इस keyboard में. And the touchpad, इसका जो touchpad है वो quite big है. It's very big in size. So it's quite free to use. इसका और एक फीचर है ये फिंगरप्रिंट सेंसर. अभी जो है लैपटॉप में जो होता है ना, व्हेन वी बूट अप द लैपटॉप हम लोग को पासवर्ड डालना पड़ता है. नाउ यू कैन जस्ट यूज योर फिंगरप्रिंट ओवर हियर एंड वो अनलॉक और लॉक भी हो जाएगा. तो ये सब फीचर्स हमको अच्छा लगा लैपटॉप में. ये लैपटॉप को जो स्क्रीन है, इसका जो डिस्प्ले है वो 300 निट्स का है. इट्स सो वाइब्रेंट गाइस, एज यू कैन सी बहुत वाइब्रेंट डिस्प्ले है. 300 nits का डिस्प्ले है, which is very 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 good for editing and video making and video seeing as well. So if you see the laptop from all the sides, it just looks very premium. बहुत ही premium look है. Now I'm gonna tell you where I bought this laptop from. I ordered it from Flipkart. अभी सेल चल रहा है Flipkart में, so I got it for 46,990. And the cost of this laptop MRP is 70,000. So 70,000 का लैपटॉप हमको 46,990 because of पूजा ऑफर चल रहा है फ्लिपकार्ट में. I found it to be a pretty good deal for a 16 GB laptop which has 512 GB का SSD. It is more than enough. And this laptop has a integrated graphic card as well. I don't know what's the integrated graphic card specs, but that is also there in the graphic card. So this was the unboxing of the Infinix X1 Pro, which I will be using for my editing in the future, and I just wanted to share this video with you guys. If you want to buy this laptop also for yourself guys, this is a very good laptop to buy. It's in budget at the moment and it will be in budget as well in the next few days to come as well. So if you want a starting laptop which has good specifications and doesn't lag नहीं होता है लैपटॉप में, क्या चाहिए भाई, लैग नहीं हो, काम स्मूथली से चले, you get everything in this laptop. Okay, so this was a vlog on the Infinix X1 Pro. I hope you like this vlog guys. If you like this vlog, do give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel for new videos. I will try to be more consistent. And do tell me guys, comment में बोलो ठीक है, what type of videos you want from me. Because I just don't want to make videos with my ideas. I want to make videos with your ideas, what you want to see. So do comment in the box what type of videos you want to see and I will try and make those videos come true. Okay, so I will close this vlog over here. This is Octon Boy Branding signing off from this vlog. Bye bye.